Good afternoon, everyone. It's Mama B here, and we got a snowstorm in Indiana. We got about 13 inches where I'm at. So before the kids come out to play, I'm gonna go gather some snow so that we can have clean snow for snow ice cream tonight. Come with me. Watch my foot hole. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I haven't seen so much snow since I was a kid. Alright, so here we have about 680 grams of snow, and we are going to set that aside. We've got another bowl here where we're going to add our ingredients. We're going to start with heavy whipping cream. So for the amount of snow we're using, we're going to use 200 grams of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to add about 70 grams of granulated white sugar. One pinch of salt. Our recipe says 5 grams. Yeah, it's gonna be a bigger pinch. I'm watching my scale, so that's how I know. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna whisk this together. And I'm gonna go ahead and move it off my scale. And when your sugar's all mixed in, you're gonna start adding your snow. We're just gonna add a little bit at a time so we can keep it mixed up nicely. Eventually we'll have to transfer into the bigger bowl over here, so get ready for that. The snow has melted down a lot when mixing, so we're not gonna have to move to the big bowl after all. The recipe says this will make about 4 to 5 servings. So you just wanna keep mixing it up until it is not clumpy and you've got any big parts of ice mashed up. And then it's gonna look like this. So should we go ahead and take a taste test? here for the kids, and I'm gonna enjoy mine plain. All right, so this recipe is super easy. It is super fun to do with your kids or your family. If you've got a massive amount of snow like we do right now, make sure you gather your snow when it's fresh. That's my biggest tip. And thanks for cooking with Mama B. Do you think you'll make this with your family? I hope you try it. See you later.